In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a Word document in Facebook Messenger. So I'll be showing you two different ways to do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and open up your File Explorer on your computer, and you just need to go and locate the Word document that you want to send. So mine is this Word document here. Now, in an internet browser, go and open up Facebook and open up the conversation that you want to send this document in. Now, all we need to do is go and drag the Word document into the conversation like so. That's going to automatically upload it, and then you can go and press enter, and just like that we have now sent this Word document. Now if for some reason this is not working, another way to do this is to go and open up a Google internet browser. You could then click on the square icon in the top right hand side and click on Drive. Click on New in the top left hand side and click on File Upload. You then just need to go and upload your Word document to the Google Drive. In the bottom right hand side it will tell you once this upload's complete. You can then click on the Show in Folder icon, and once you've found your document you can just click on the three vertical dots, click on Share, and then press Share. You could then click on the drop down arrow next to Restricted and select anyone with the link. You could then press Copy Link, and then you can press Done. Now head back over to Facebook. You could then go and paste in this link to the person you want to send the document to. When this person clicks on the link, this will take them directly over to the Word document. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.